In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to the header on Wix. If you've ever wondered how to give your website a personal touch by incorporating your brand's emblem right at the top, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience. First, let's start by opening up your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the My Sites section. Here, you'll find a list of all the websites you've created. Choose the site you want to edit by clicking on it. Doing this will take you to the site editor, where all the magic happens. With the site editor open, look towards the top of your editor screen. You should see an area labeled Header. Click on this section to activate it, so we can begin the process of adding your logo to this area. Now that you're in the header section, find the Add button on the left side of the editor screen. This is your gateway to inserting various elements into your website, including images. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From this menu, hover over the Image option, and you'll see several choices. Select My Image Uploads from the drop-down that appears. If you haven't uploaded your logo before, don't worry. You can do that right now. In the My Images screen, you'll see an Upload Media button. Click it and find the image file of your logo from your computer. Once selected, upload the file to your Wix account. After the upload is complete, your logo will appear in the media gallery. Simply select your logo and click Add to Page. Now, your logo should be visible in the header area. You can drag and drop the image to position it exactly where you want within the header. Typically, logos are placed on the left-hand side, but you can choose whatever placement fits your site's aesthetic. To fine-tune the size of your logo, click on the image. A toolbar will appear above it, including a resize option. Click on the edges of the image and drag them inward or outward to adjust the size accordingly. Make sure the logo is proportionate and clear enough for your visitors to see and recognize instantly. Once you're satisfied with the logo's position and size, take a moment to review how it looks. You can easily preview your site by clicking the Preview button at the top right of the editor. This allows you to see your website as your visitors will. Finally, if everything looks good, don't forget to publish your changes. Click the blue Publish button to make your logo live on your site. And there you have it. Your website now proudly displays your logo right in the header. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you successfully add your brand's logo to your Wix site.